Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use iPhone storage instead of iCloud for photos. Here are some steps to use iPhone storage instead of iCloud for photos. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap your Apple ID name at the top. Select iCloud. Then tap Photos. Toggle off iCloud Photos or sync this iPhone depending on your iOS version. Go back to the main settings screen. Scroll down to tap on Apps. Then scroll again to find and tap the Photos. Here, ensure Optimize iPhone Storage is unchecked and Download and Keep Originals or Keep Originals is selected. This way, your photos will be stored directly on your iPhone and not synced with iCloud. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.